Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing MI beard trimmer, but before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, the box is of a very nice black and white and orange color. As you can see, the orange is on the sides and the back, and as you can see, there's a big image of the trimmer right over here at the bottom, and you can see it has IPX7. It has a washable body, it is IPX7 certified, and it has 40 length settings. It has a 90 minutes cordless use, and it has self-sharpening blades. Moving on, you can see the branding of MI beard trimmer right over here at the sides. And so without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So there's a user manual right over here. I'll just keep it aside for now. And so as you can see, they have provided you with a pouch right over here to carry the trimmer. There is an extra adjustment comb right over here. The one is already attached here, but they have provided you with one more. Moving on, you have a charging cable right over here. There you go. And lastly, you have a brush to clean the hair. Now, moving on to our main unit. As you can see, it's of a very nice black color. They have attached an adjustment comb right over here, and yeah, there you go. So that's all, folks. These are all the accessories you will find in the box of MI beard trimmer. Thank you so much for watching the video.